friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Bisquick breakfast casserole. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I already did it before making the video. Here are the ingredients we need: a pound of ground sausage, Bisquick baking mix, milk, eggs, and shredded cheddar cheese. And next, I'm going to cook ground sausage in a frying pan. So now I'm going to assemble the rest of the ingredients for the casserole. So I'm going to crack 4 eggs in a bowl. I'm going to now whisk them. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. And mix it together. And now I will add 1.5 cups of Bisquick baking mix. And again, mix it together. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And mix. And now let's assemble a casserole. So here's a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, or you can use butter instead. And now I'm going to add a layer of cooked ground sausage. So I'm just going to take the sausage off the pan and leave grease in the pan. We don't need that. Next, I'm going to pour this batter over the sausage. now I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's been baking for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and our casserole is ready. Let's take a look. It looks amazing. Now let me take it out of the oven and let's put it on the counter. So good. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let's just have it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes and let's try it. So now this breakfast casserole has cooled down a little bit, so let me cut a piece and try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It looks so good. So you can just cut it into squares before serving. Perfect. So good. There's sausage inside and eggs and milk and Bisquick and shredded cheddar cheese. This is so filling. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It tastes amazing. So good. This is a great dish if you want to feed the crowd. It's super easy, very filling. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!